Good afternoon. Good afternoon to those who listen. It's August 27th, 2026, 12:06 p.m. And I wanted to go over a few things before I look at the comments, because there's been lots of comments saying that, oh, you're going to have the FBI and all that on. It's just, it's looking at the patterns. So there's lots of channels, probably thousands and thousands of channels that look at things, because you can kind of just go through the patterns of what they do, and the powers that be, whatever you want to call them. They do things like this. So when I saw that Dolly and Tim Curry had the same birthday, not the same month, but the same day, and then again, you got to look at everything. Both of them were 80 years old, so that was another weird thing. Dolly she was born January 19th. If you flip those numbers around, what do you get, right? And then 1946, 19, 1 plus 9 is 10, 4 plus 6 is 10, 2026, 2, 2, 6, that's 10. There's so many 10s riddled through there that I saw patterns happening. And then there's, all the significance with the day, August 25th. And this show was out on the 25th, but I got Peacock, so I have to watch it the next day. So I didn't watch it till last night, and then I found something here. So there's more things to this than what you might even think. So most of the time, when something happens, people can go back and they say, oh, look at this happened, and then don't look at, there's a whole pattern here, blah, 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 blah. But it's usually too late. So there's been lots of channels that try to see the patterns before it happens. Not that, that would ever be stopped or anything, but, So I just wanted to say that. With Bill Clinton, he was the main candidate because his birthday also landed on the 19th. So if they had 3 people pass that all had the same 19th, January 19th for Dolly, Tim had April 19th, and Bill has August 19th. So wouldn't that be a really weird coincidence? So I looked it up, and just for 2 people, and I originally put the question into the Google about, what was the odds of 2 people passing a day apart from each other with the same birthday, and it came up with 0.5%. So there was a 99.5% chance that it would not happen. Now we have them both on the same day even. So I didn't even look that up to see what the changes were. But the odds of 3 people with the same birthday, but I did it so I did it back-to-back days. So I was thinking that Tim passed on the day after Dolly, but apparently now it looks like it was the same day. So I did it back-to-back days, and it was 1 in 623 million. So that would be astronomically, nearly impossible. Come on. So I just look for patterns. We can see patterns that's the whole thing with the predictive programming in movies, TV shows. They show us what they're going to do in the future. But usually, and I would say probably 99% of the time, you don't see it until after it's happened. So I'm not, hoping for somebody to pass. No, I'm just looking at the patterns that fit. And it's weird how many celebrities, music stars, politicians all just happen to be 80 years old right now, and somehow they had some connection with the Muppets or the Muppet Show or just the Muppets in general. That's weird too, don't you think? And one of the first people, well, it wasn't people, but the Jim Henson Studios was one of the first ones to come out and offer condolences for Dolly. And then the whole thing with the flags at half staff for 7 days. It's never been done before. So it sends off red flags and bleep bleep. My spidey senses are tingling, whatever you want to call it. So I look into that stuff. A lot of other people do the same thing. And I should show you something. So now I'm going to have to do something. Because this video is already too long, so I'm going to have to go back to this. But there's something in America's Got Talent that was there on Tuesday. So she passed earlier in the day, and then America's Got Talent, when they went live, they had a special statement just for her, and then something weird happened afterwards. So that's what I was going to show you, because I think there is some kind of a ritual going on here, and they're showing America, because America's Got Talent is one of the biggest shows, at least for the summer, that everybody's watching. So there's millions of people watching, so they're seeing this, but they're not seeing it, you know what I mean? They're just seeing something and they don't think nothing about it, but there's something behind it. But we'll have to do that in a second video because I don't want to have too long of a video on this one. Okay, here's what I wanted to show you. This is coming from Donut Factory. And I just wanted to get the channel here. Where is it? And Project Cheney. So I just wanted to show you that. So they get credit for this. So they got this video out, the threes, because I was always thinking that when something happens, it always goes in threes. But maybe the third already happened earlier with Hayden Panettiere. However you pronounce her last name. Panettiere. Anyway, so maybe so they're doing it, and it's interesting to say the least. So they were saying that the solar eclipse happened on August 12th. 4 days later, Hayden Panettiere dies. And then 9 days after that, we got Dolly and Tim passing. And then we got tonight into tomorrow morning, August 27th, which is today, and 28th is the eclipse. And they're saying that, okay, it's some ritual that they're doing where there's an eclipse, opens the window, and then, they do their sacrifices, and then the next eclipse closes the window. I don't know. It's interesting to say the least. So I thought that was really weird. There's also something really weird too that somebody in the comments said that Rocky Horror Picture Show was Tim Curry, and then Rocky, Sylvester Stallone, he was one on the list. Not saying that that's going to happen, but Dolly and Sylvester Stallone was in a movie, Rhinestone, together. So, I don't know, there might be a link there. So, there was a bunch of different people that could fit the thing, the whole thing. The reason I said Bill Clinton is because he had the same exact birthday, but there's so many connections between all these people that had just happened to be 80 years old at the same time, all these people, and they all seem to have appeared on the Muppet Show or appeared with Muppets. That's just very strange. And then that Star Trek thing, too, that was weird, too. Just a lot of weird things. So when you see all that, that's when you put the patterns together and you kind of come up with some things. We also had the Heroes thing with Hayden, right? And that was an eclipse. We had David Gilmour, who had Dark Side of the Moon. He's 80 years old. And there's a song called Eclipse. That was considered a solar eclipse, not a lunar eclipse, but the sun is eclipsed by the moon. Or is it, which one is that? Either way, that's weird. And then my sister found this site where this guy was saying that he had 50 people that he thought that was going to pass by the end of 2026. It was his weird prediction. And he had 9 of them came true already, but some of them were just really old people like Dick Van Dyke, people that could pass at any time. So you never know. So that maybe that's just that the obvious choices, you know. But then it was weird because on the whole 50 people list, there was only one person that was on the list that fits the 80 years old. And that was Linda Ronstadt. So then there's a connection there too. And then it was weird because she was one of the first people that came out, and she hasn't publicly spoke in a long time. I don't know, just a lot of weird stuff. So you just got to put the patterns together. So there was a lot of different possibilities, and me predicting doesn't mean that it's going to actually happen. So don't get all bent out of shape. I'm not wanting these people to pass. I'm just looking at the patterns. Just looking at the patterns. All right, now I just made this video too long. But anyway, stay tuned for the other one with AGT. It's interesting because I think it might be part of the rituals. I don't know if this is anything or not. Maybe it's already passed, the 3 people. But I was just thinking because what happened was I thought Dolly, and then the very next day was Tim, but now they're saying it was the same day, which was weird. I think they didn't want to take away from the limelight of Dolly, so they waited an extra day to talk about Tim. But it's weird that they were both 80 and passed on the same day. That's weird. So I thought maybe there's something that's going to happen in the future. And then the 7-day mourning, the 7-day lowering of the flag, it all is weird. Especially when no president has ever done a 7-day lowering of the flag ever for a celebrity or music star. Now, there's politicians, yes. There's been other, big profile politicians or leaders that was longer, but never for a celebrity or music star. And even Charlie, he only got 5 days. So I don't know how they're determining who gets how many days, but that's just weird. Did anybody ever mention that they were going to have a lowering of the flag for Tim? Or is it just for Dolly? There's another thing you think about. So there we go. I hope you understand that I'm looking into patterns and stuff. I'm not trying to say that, oh, this person's going to pass, blah, blah, blah. I'm just looking at the patterns, and the people that fit the pattern are there. So there. Don't blame the messenger. I'm just trying to figure out the patterns before it happens, but it's not. It might have already passed. So usually when these patterns and stuff happen, and whatever they're doing, they always do it in secret, and then everybody always finds out after the fact. So the whole thing happens, and then we go look back and say, "Oh, look at it," and then you connect the dots. We're trying to connect the dots beforehand, but obviously, it's I don't know. It's you don't know until after the fact usually, but I don't know. There's lots of channels that try to figure out the patterns, but it might have already happened. It might have already passed. So there you go. All right, stay tuned for the next video. I can't believe I made this one so long. Sorry, but next video is going to show something that's kind of crazy. All right, God bless.